Not perfect situation, not perfect surroundings. What can we do when we're really confined to a small space? Let's get a nice 10-minute low impact workout in and think about things that we can do in small spaces. Let's just start with a march. Always available. Got stuck in an airport. Hotel last night. Flights were delayed. Flights were canceled. Quite a day of travel. Waking up, gotta get moving. Gotta build some energy, boost the mood, stay consistent and disciplined, and that's what we're doing here, showing up every day for ourselves. Hotel, what can you do when you're in a hotel? You can always just go walk the hallways. I can't get out and walk the hallways. My son is still sleeping. Hopefully this won't wake him up. You go to the stairs. Stairs. Brilliant. Let's, like a step up. If I had a chair, I could use that also. Get the arms. It's our preferences that really jam us up. It's like we don't have perfect surroundings, perfect exercise kit, whatever it is. No. Just move more often wherever you can. Do a little workout in the hallway. You know, if you can do it quietly, some more space. There's just very little space, but what can we do with that little space? So yeah, go walk up 10 flights of stairs. That'd be a heck of a workout as we pretend we're going up the stairs here. A couple more. Squats, always available to us, don't need a lot of space. And the body weight squat, probably the best exercise. Not a lot of cardio can get done in a small space, but if we use our imagination, maybe we take our squat and move a little bit more quickly, get the heart rate up. It's going to boost our mood. Couple more. Yeah, shake. So, small space, just a nice bounce. In and out with the arms. Get some heat. Get us set up for the best day ever. Just let's keep moving here. Just move. Keep those arms in and out. Feel the burn in the shoulders. Build incredible strength. One day at a time. It's amazing if we remove our preferences. Just accept the reality of what is. And I had a really great test yesterday. Sitting in an airport for 8+ hours, emergency stop in Brussels also, with a 6-year-old, just trying to accept the reality of it. We can accept our situation. We're more likely to affect positive change. Okay, check it out. Just a little reverse lunge. Not going too deep today. Just want to get moving. Do what works for you. Yesterday my workout was outside, beautiful Spain. Today we're in maybe the not most beautiful hotel room in a super cloudy day in Copenhagen. Hey, we can be just as happy. I think I am. It's just where we're at. Wherever we're at in your fitness level or journey, accept that this is where you are. That's amazing. By showing up every day, it's amazing that you're making a choice to improve, get a little stronger, a little more mobile, etc., etc. One more. on each side. Okay, little bounce. Just bring some presence into this. No matter where you're at, just like, yeah, life is good. Life is grand. We do a little ab work. Oh, I'm going to twist, Russian twist. Really engage the core. Nice twist in the back. Head up high. Yeah, just find a nice flow. The obliques, the abdominal muscles. Beautiful workout. We'll pick up the pace just a bit. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. I'd love to generate a little bit of heat. So, put my arms light on the toes. I'm going for a little jog. Maybe you just want to walk. Hey, walk, baby. Brilliant. If you can get up on the toes a bit, pump the arms. Why not? Okay, and I'm going to go right into bend. Now at the back, it feels nice and loose. Oh yeah. As deep as you can go, bend the knees generously. Bring all your focus, all your awareness into each movement. Real mindful movement. Gratitude for the ability to move our bodies, regardless of where we are. Touch your toes possibly. Hey, and if this looks like this for you, that's what it looks like. Just stick with it. Just show up every day for yourself. Stay consistent. Discipline will follow. And so will happier, healthier life. A couple more. Yeah. Okay, not a lot of space, so I just want to sidestep and real sort of a mini move in a mini space. Again, nice and light on the toes. You can draw the shoulder blades together. Just go with this. No toxic thoughts, just presence. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling it. Here we go. Okay. One last move. Finish off. Well, this round of physical activity. I know you got a lot more in you today. I'm just going to go elbow to knee in front. Engage the core. Maybe this is the move you've got. How good is that? It's good. Any movement. Just move. Move more often. Don't forget, you can write that in the chat. Move more often. Inspire all of us to just get moving. Be more physically active. Also, job done. Inspire others. Couple more. That's it. Take a moment. Just absorb everything you've done. Think about your preferences and how they cause suffering, and how can we just be present for the moment that is. Truly accept where we're at. Each moment is a lesson for us. All the great teachers over millennia have been teaching us, be here now. Shake it out. I hope you're feeling energized. I feel way better than I did 10 minutes ago. Hallelujah. See you tomorrow.